Model, 2019 Ford Transit 352.0 Tdci Luton box van taillift starts runs needs turbo no VAT. Body, white, Luton box. Mileage, 72,947. MOT, the 21st of November 2025. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 Tdci 130 psa. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Engine is perfect straightforward simple turbo replacement job. Low mileage no VAT absolute bargain. Condition summary, interior is extremely clean and tidy almost feels brand new. Rear load area looks virtually unused with plenty life in it. Features, 1 former keeper, taillift in working order, 2 keys, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011997.